Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete word effect on Messenger. So if you want to delete the word effect on Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application here. And after that, just go to any chat. Once you are in the chat, what you need to do is just go with the upper right, which has this info option. Once you are in the info, you will have the word effects right here. As you can see, you have to tap on this word effects. Tap on word effects, and here you will have your word effects. So now just tap on the word effect that you have added. So you can simply tap and hold on to that effect, and you may get an option of delete at the bottom or remove. But if you don't get the remove option, then what you can do is just go back and go into the info and tap on the theme and just change the theme. So for example, I'll be choosing other theme and then go with select. And once you selected, you can go with the upper right again on the info. And if you go with the word effect, then the word effects might have been changed. So that's how you can delete word effect on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.